Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we're going to see how to register an RFID card on the new Grandstream GDS doorbells. This time we'll be using a GDS372X. Go to the Access Control Settings tab, then User Management. This is where we'll register the card. Open the Quick Card Entry tab, turn on the automatic reader, save the settings, and swipe the card through the GDS, and the card will appear there. We can edit the information. First, we'll turn off the reader since we won't be scanning any more cards. We edit the information, check the box, add a name or a PIN, switch to account 1, and click Save and Apply. The card should now be active, but it's not valid, and if we swipe it, we'll hear an error beep. To validate it, we can do so through the Secure Access app as follows. Open the app, go to Administration, User, Quick Card Setup, swipe the card under the phone to add it via NFC, it registers there, select Access to all doors and add it, then close the screen, the card will appear there. If we go back to the GDS again and refresh the tab, it will still show as invalid. This is because we need to take one more step, we must register the video intercom in the app, and this should validate the card. We go back to the Video Intercom tab in the app, tap Add, we'll allow it, add the device manually, it asks for the MAC address, we enter it, then we enter the device's serial number, and add the device name, check the terms, tap Add, tap Cancel, go back, refresh so it shows as online, and wait a moment. Once linked, if we go back to the GDS, User Management, we can see that the device has been validated and no longer shows the validation error. Since we won't be using the app, we proceed to open it and delete the doorbell from the app. We select the device, tap Delete, and press the Delete key. We wait for the deletion to complete, and it will no longer appear. Even if we unlink it from the app, the card would still appear as validated here. If we swipe the card there, it would open without any problem. There is another way to validate the card without having to go through the app. I'm going to delete the card. Add it again, select the reader, save, add it, and just enable it. We'll go to Basic Settings, Open Door Settings, and at the bottom we have this option that they recommend not enabling for security reasons, because right now if we check the card it appears as invalid. Let's go back to Open Door Settings, Enable Compatible with Unencrypted ID Card, Save, and Apply. If we go back to User Management, we'll see the card is now enabled, and likewise, if we swipe the card there, it opens without any problem. That's all for this video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.